Agang
Yung
pinipili siya sa mga
pinakamadaling
babae niya.
Hi. Pangilan siya?
First word.
Hi.
I love you, goodbye.
Tapos bibigyan.
I saw the sign.
I saw the sign. I saw the sign. I saw the sign. And open up my eyes. I open my eyes. I open my eyes.
I saw Mommy kissing Santa Claus.
I love you, goodbye. Parang share mo yung ball.
Yung pinakamadaling word na i-act.
Baby, share ball. I can say goodbye to you.
I can say goodbye to you.
Heart.
Love.
Love.
I love
Pangilan
you.
siya? Pangilan siya?
I love you.
Pang-anim.
I love you.
Paano ko ba yun sa pangalawa?
Oh, yung third word.
Third word.
For you.
For you.
I love you, true. I say you, Diwa. I love you, true.
I give.
I give my life to you.
I give all my love to you.
I give my love to you.
I always love you.
I give my love
Superman.
to you. I
Give.
Give. Ang ano?
No? The gift.
Tanong pa yan.
I always love you.
Yeah, superhero, giving power.
I